Greetings, Salesforce visionaries. Welcome to Insightful Perspectives by Careerya, the podcast where we unravel the power of reports and dashboards in Salesforce. I'm your host, Careerya, and today, we're diving deep into the world of data visualization. Get ready for real-world examples, implementation insights, advantages, disadvantages, interview-ready knowledge, and a quiz to test your reporting and dashboard mastery. Podcast episode, Insightful Perspectives, Mastering Reports and Dashboards in Salesforce. Next topic. Let's kick off our exploration by understanding the essence of reports and dashboards. Segment 1, Data Canvas, Navigating Reports in Salesforce. Reports in Salesforce are like an artistic canvas where you paint a picture of your data. They provide a structured way to analyze, summarize, and visualize information. Example 1. Imagine a sales team using an opportunity pipeline report. This dynamic report showcases the current status of opportunities, helping the team identify areas for improvement and celebrate successes. Implementation insights. To navigate reports, explore Salesforce's Report Builder. Customize report types, define filters, and choose report formats that best convey your data. Reports can be tabular, summary, or matrix, catering to various analytical needs. Next topic. Now, let's transition to the art of dashboard creation. Segment 2, Visual Symphony, Mastering Dashboards in Salesforce. Dashboards are the visual symphony of Salesforce, bringing data to life through dynamic charts, graphs, and metrics. They provide a holistic view of your organization's performance. Example 2. Picture a scenario where a service team utilizes a customer satisfaction dashboard. Real-time metrics on response times, issue resolution, and customer feedback are displayed in a visually appealing manner, allowing the team to make informed decisions. Implementation insights. To master dashboards, explore the Dashboard Builder in Salesforce. Choose components like charts, tables, and metrics, and arrange them to create a comprehensive visual representation. Dashboards enable stakeholders to monitor key metrics at a glance. Next topic. Moving on, let's explore the advantages and disadvantages of reports and dashboards. Segment 3, Data Elevation, Advantages and Disadvantages. Reports and dashboards elevate your data experience, but understanding their pros and cons is essential for effective utilization. Advantages. Advantages include: data visibility provides a clear view of organizational data. Decision support aids in informed decision-making. User adoption enhances user engagement with visual data. Disadvantages. Disadvantages include: complexity. Building complex reports may require training. Data accuracy relies on accurate input for meaningful insights. Customization challenges. Advanced customization may be challenging for beginners. Next topic. Now, let's explore the interview-worthy aspects of mastering reports and dashboards. Interview insights, reporting mastery questions. Question 1. How do reports contribute to informed decision-making in Salesforce? Answer 1. Reports contribute to informed decision-making in Salesforce by providing a structured way to analyze and visualize data. Stakeholders can gain insights into various aspects of their organization's performance. Question 2. Can you share an example of a scenario where a dashboard proved instrumental in monitoring key metrics? Answer 2. In a service scenario, a customer satisfaction dashboard displayed real-time metrics on response times, issue resolution, and customer feedback. This allowed the service team to make informed decisions and address customer needs promptly. Question 3. What are some challenges associated with building complex reports in Salesforce? Answer 3. Challenges with building complex reports in Salesforce may include the need for training, ensuring data accuracy for meaningful insights, and addressing customization challenges, especially for beginners. Next topic. Now, let's challenge your reports and dashboards mastery with a quiz. Quiz, test your reporting mastery. Question 1. What is the primary purpose of reports in Salesforce? Listen for an answer. Answer 1. The primary purpose of reports in Salesforce is to provide a structured way to analyze, summarize, and visualize data for informed decision-making. Question 2. How do dashboards enhance data visibility in Salesforce? Listen for an answer. Answer 2. Dashboards enhance data visibility in Salesforce by providing a holistic view of organizational performance through dynamic charts, graphs, and metrics. There you have it, a journey through insightful perspectives, unraveling the power of reports and dashboards in Salesforce. If you found this episode enlightening, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your fellow visionaries, and subscribe to Careerya for more Salesforce insights.